Hey guys, I'm in the kitchen with hubby and he's injecting our turkey. It's a 14-pound turkey. He's injecting it with this Zatarain's. It's Zatarain's Cajun injector, Creole butter, and it's mild. Okay, so what he did, he did a dry rub inside and all over the bird overnight with Creole seasoning, and then like an hour or so before frying this turkey, we're doing a Cajun fried turkey. He injects it with this and it is so delicious. His turkeys are always so delicious. And he's also doing that. We have a chicken also we're gonna fry. So he's working on that. And then we're getting the oil hot in our indoor Butterball electric turkey fryer. This has been a godsend. We love this thing. He has it up to the max, which is 375 degrees, and it takes 2 gallons of pure peanut oil. And so that's heating up right now. Okay, so that's why I get the sides done, and then the day of, put all the energy into the turkey. So this is hubby's domain. So he works hard every day during the week, but he's never too busy to take time to make a good homemade meal and a special occasion turkey. So look at that. Smells amazing. And guys, I want to take this time to review this turkey because one of my subscribers was telling me about how people were like going crazy over these $66 turkeys at Costco. And we got this turkey this is a 14-pound turkey. We got it from Kroger for 59 cents per pound, or 49, 59, and I got a 49-cent per pound turkey too. And this is no different. This is a very plump bird for $8.50. And so, you know, I'm a big proponent of living tastefully for less, shopping the deals, getting the best quality of items for the least amount, and you can get good quality items without busting the budget. Now, I would never spend $66 per one bird, because first of all, I don't like turkey that much, and $66 can feed me for the entire month. I mean, 3 meals a day, I can eat off of $66. So, I mean, not everyone has to shop on a budget like me, but I don't think I'm losing out on anything. In our household, we're not losing out on anything by living tastefully for less. So, yeah, this bird is just as good as any bird I've ever had, expensive or cheap. Hubby got the bird laying on its side. He injects the back, everything. Look at that. Okay, you're dealing with raw meats. I'll constantly keep your hands washed and the surface clean and disinfected, and we'll do all that. All right, okay guys, the oil in our turkey fryer is 350 degrees. It's all in the basket. Hubby put it in the basket. Now he's ready to drop it in the oil. Do that very slowly. slowly lower it down till the oil covers it. There's the little hook here. Unhook it from the basket. All right, it's on and popping. So what it'll take, what, about an hour in the fryer? Give you one last look. That's perfect. All right. Check back in. Hey guys, now we're going to fry up this chicken. How many pounds is that chicken? About 7-pound chicken, so we can have, you know, food for the weeks, and we can you know, put aside whatever leftovers we have. I can make my little meal prep, and you can have meal preps and stuff for work. And then we're gonna have a chicken. So, oh, let me show you the turkey. The turkey is done, baby. It's out. Isn't that beautiful? It's gonna rest for about 20 minutes. And then here goes the turkey. I mean, here goes the chicken. It's seasoned the same way. The oil is at 350 degrees. For safety purposes, you make sure you gradually put that chicken down there. Gradually. Things safely. All right, let it go. It'll take about 30 minutes. All right, so I'm over here. I have my the side dishes, the greens, the dressing, mac and cheese, all in the oven, like at a low 300, and then I'm gonna turn it down to 200, keep everything warm. Everything's off the chain. That's how you have a stress-free, delicious Thanksgiving dinner. Here's the mac and cheese. Just gonna put that back in the oven, and we'll be ready in a little bit. Okay guys, our Cajun fried turkey is ready. It's beautiful. It's 14 pounds. Hubby injected it with Zatarain's Creole butter seasoning, and had a dry rub on it on the outside. What is that? Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning on the outside. It's done. It took about an hour to fry in our turkey fryer. And then now we have a whole chicken frying right now. So that's our emphasis. There's so many sides that taste better a day ahead of time. So I get the sides done. And the day of any event or any holiday, we concentrate on the turkey or the main protein. And then right now, I'm working on the side dishes here. And this is the time, like Thanksgiving Day, should be easy breezy. It's like I'm putting my dressing in the oven, put it on a low temperature so it can, I have it on 300. And so this is the time when your family comes over, y'all chit chat, have some wine, eat your cheese ball, eat some deviled eggs, and drink a little wine or beverages and catch up, and before the dinner is done. So that's how I like to do our holidays. Just have fun on the day of, and everything is extra delicious. Okay guys, here's our Cajun fried whole chicken, and it looks delicious. It's gonna rest for about 15 minutes, and we'll be ready to go. So hubby cooked a whole 14-pound turkey. This is a 7-pound chicken, and we will have enough to eat for the weekend. So, is there anything you would like to say, hubby?
Thank you, Tastemakers. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the like button. See you the next time. Thank you.
All right, you heard it. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Mom.